Hi friends, this is a quick video and I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see about Instagram Reels. So how long Instagram Reels should be? So how long a video should be? A reel video should be of 5 seconds, 10 seconds or 60 seconds. So now Instagram allows you to post a reel video up to 90 seconds. But what are the best way to post on Reels? And what the duration or time length of the reels should be. So I just considered a 5 to 9 seconds reels should be posted for entertainment or fun purpose, because a short form of content will get a more engagement, and if the reels time so short, it will get more views and the viewers will watch the entire video because it's only a 5 to 9 seconds of video with the entertainment element. So the video will be completely watched, the watch time will be increased, and the Instagram will be pushed your content to the whole and a large audience. So if you are posting a fun type of entertainment content, you can just make a reel about a 5 to 9 second long. And if you are making a video about information, about a tech related videos, or about something that content should be delivered, you can just make the video between a 30 to 40 seconds. Don't make videos for length of 90 seconds, which will affect your content, because not everyone is interested in watching the full video. Instead of that, the Reels concept is as today they introduced for making a short videos which will get audience attention, and try to make videos more shorter, and also you should convey the content perfectly. So try to make a 20 to 45 seconds for an informative video, so this will make a show. And also you should make the content with the super cuts, and also to add more sounds and effects and transitions between these 20 seconds, which will make a more time to create that video. So this will surely have a more engagement on the reels. So try to adapt this on your reels and have that magic on your reels. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.